Hey kids, it's Mr. Comer here, and today I'm going to read Watch a Frog Grow. And the opening question is, how do frogs grow? I bet we're going to find out in this book today. The title is Watch a Frog Grow. Before we read, we need to know these words. It says, I need to know these words. Eggs, frog, hatch, jump, swim, tadpole. What do you see? You can see a frog. This frog lives in a pond. Now down here at the bottom you can see that there are some words describing the picture. Let's read these too. This frog can live in water. This frog can live out of water. The frog did not always look this way. How do frogs grow? A frog uses its legs to swim in the pond. First, a mother frog lays eggs. A mother frog lays eggs in the spring. Frogs lay eggs in water. Do you see the black dots inside these eggs? The dots are baby frogs. So right here you can see the baby frogs is pointing to the little black dots, and the white thing around the black dots are the eggs. Baby frogs look like black dots in these eggs. So down at the bottom, these blue words describe this picture. It helps you gain a little more information. Always read the words that describe these pictures. You'll find out a lot of information. Then the eggs hatch. The tadpoles come out. The tadpoles live in the water. Tadpoles are baby frogs. How does the tadpole grow? The tadpole grows back legs. The tadpole has back legs and a tail. What an interesting tadpole. How does the tadpole grow? Now the tadpole uses its lungs. Now the tadpole has lungs. The tadpole can breathe air. You use lungs to breathe air too. Now the tadpole can breathe out of water. How does the tadpole grow? Next, the tail of the tadpole becomes smaller. As the tadpole grows, its tail becomes smaller. Then the front legs grow. The tadpole still lives in the water. The tadpole grows front legs. How does the tadpole grow? The legs of the tadpole grow bigger. The baby frog's tail is almost gone. Now the tadpole is a frog. A frog can jump on land. A frog can swim in water. This frog will lay eggs someday. This frog will add its own tadpoles to the pond. How do frogs grow? Well, you can see right here, they're giving you pictures in this bubble map on how the frog grows and becomes from tadpole, from egg to tadpole to a real frog. I hope you enjoyed this book today, boys and girls. Until next time.